Hey, we've got a new bike for Robert, so that's what this video is. He got a new gravel bike. He sets it up with the kids. He rides it some. He's a happy rider.
No, it's more bulky.
Did your end weigh a lot, Dad?
No, dude.
Pretty well.
That was really fun.
Whoa.
Fall over now.
Old men falling over. Toothpick got blown over by the wind.
I mean, I can't really see this stuff. But,
You can't? Well, that sounds like you're going.
Wow.
Then you need
much
to
does
get
it
your
weigh?
eyes checked, scratch.
How much does it weigh?
That's a big toy.
Much or not much?
23 pounds.
The full
I
bike?
mean, like,
With the bike and the box and everything.
Wow, that's not bad. Cool. I want to go in here after.
In the box?
Yeah. I can put my hamster in.
Jeez, Amelia, this weighs more than you.
Yes.
No, it doesn't. 23 pounds. Why is it so light? My arm was that long. Actually,
you
I'll
want
just
like a
grab
towel
this.
or something?
The seat is up the very bottom. I'm
got
not
it, I
tall
got
enough to grab it.
Dude, this is gonna be so comfortable, Dad.
Well, that's why he has
He's not
little
gonna
cushion
sit on
shorts.
it so much. He's gonna like,
Stand.
you know.
Whoa.
That's why he has his cushion shorts.
He's gonna
Yeah, that's true. Are you excited?
No, he's
What
not.
kind of question is that?
He's not excited, obviously.
That's like when people ask me.
Okay.
Want someone to hold it for you?
That sounded cool.
Sound? To make the same sound.
Down. You want to strip some of the wrapper off?
Madeline,
Christmas.
Go ahead. Go help.
Go ahead and help. Come help.
Bell!
Aw, ring, ring.
I don't even know how it rings. But I know it rings.
Midget, can you hold the bike?
Thanks,
You know what
Gretchen.
comes with the bell,
That's
Dad?
really nice.
Yeah, I'm really nice. Why did it say Cannondale?
That's the kind of bike it is.
I thought he got the Orbea, whatever it's called.
Yeah, that was the green one.
Well, they don't have in my size. They don't have in normal people's size. You know?
Is it only big or larger?
They only had bikes in your size, Meals.
Oh, not normal people. Normal children's. Actually, she's not even a normal child.
Is that right there for me?
She's an Amelia.
Don't screw it in all the way.
And the seat and seat post.
You can get that, Amelia.
Yeah, short person Amelia. This does look so comfy. Just.
So cool.
That's why we wear a diaper. Diaper
You need a
shorts.
diaper short.
Can I ring the bell?
Is the brake down here?
Can I ring the bell?
Oh,
Hydraulic
cool.
disc brake.
Oh, I did it. You gotta flick it hard because it has to
Oh yeah. So
Hit it.
the brake is like a car brake?
It's a hydraulic disc brake. Yep.
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Okay, then I
Yep.
guess it's like
So
Yes.
Car brake, just, you know. Ding. Ding.
that'll need to come off.
mhm.
Because Dad can't look like a child and he doesn't want to hear that constantly.
You can't make it
You know what?
ding.
Oh.
I got it. You go over there and you figure out where you want it to
Okay.
be. So all you have to do is put your hands on there the way you want it, and I'll tighten it up.
Okay. PB pressure.
PP pressure.
Gretcher. That's a new one.
Yeah.
Old people.
Oh, person.
It's
Right
bad. Right
middle?
Mm-hmm.
So what do I
I'm
got?
gonna flush myself.
Well,
Except when it, you know,
there's
reflects
a,
off
is
of
a
there.
reflection,
Wee,
yeah.
wee.
Yeah, and then you can adjust it the way you want it. And your hands have to go all the way down to there. So you might want to bring it closer, maybe?
Nope, that's good right there.
Okay. How many speeds does the bike have? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Whoa.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 those gears and 1, 2, 3 of these. So that's what, like 33 speed? That's math. That's
Wow.
How do you even adjust it is my question.
Dude, it comes completely adjusted outside of the.
I mean, speed.
No, but how do you change it?
It's probably these.
All right, if you guys would move back so I can watch Dad do his magic, that would be great.
Magic.
Magic, Amelia.
You're perfect. I mean,
I am perfect.
Opinion-based.
not her.
Opinion-based perfectism. What's the stuff on the underside for? That.
those are if I go to a clip pedal, where I'd lock my feet in there.
Yeah. And that's for mountain biking, right?
Yeah. Well, so depending on how you ride, people use pedals all the time that are what they call clip or clipless.
Mm-hmm.
The Merrills that I use for riding the majority of the time, actually all the time, they're considered a clipless cross trail. This bike crosses all terrain or a mountain style bike. That's why it's got kind of the neater tires to it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I go
Is that
inside
in
the
there on
box?
its own?
Is there
Or is
anything
it
in
just
there?
like sitting on?
It's just the, all the garbage.
It's weird.
Yeah, it's
There's nothing
probably
in there.
fine.
Whoa.
Dad's new bike. Dorks.
Bye.
Is it getting super tight?
Yeah. Right. So what do you think? Something.
That's not that bad.
Okay,
It
we'll
feels-
do it from your side.
I swapped tires. When I swapped tires with my old bike, it was tighter than that.
Okay. Go for it, dude. It's just I'm on this side. Go tight. Keep that in. Okay.
No, it's off. Look at it straight from me.
Oh, I have phones.
There's something wrong with it, dude. It doesn't.
No, it's in there wrong. That's the issue. Look at it. It goes up high, and it's like misangled and everything.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let me get over there.
Yeah, the other side looks straight, I think, compared to that.
It may not be hard, but I
Don't you think?
am
Yeah.
bigger.
A man in his bike. It's pretty spiffy, babe. How's it going?
So far, so
It
good.
looks good. So did the pedals work or did they use the other ones?
You had to use the ones that came with the bike. You have to go on a certain way.
Yep. One's marked R, one's marked L.
Nice.
Right side or left side. The spelling also specifically tells you in what direction they go. So when you're sitting on the bike, come on over to the left.
Sweet.
So we eliminate the
I got
question.
you. I did it.
Cool.
A lot more steps to go.